Welcome to my channel. Today our topic is computer. It is the age of computers. Today computers have become the need of every home and every person. A computer is an electronic device. It solves problems by processing data according to instructions. The computers have brought a revolution in every field of life. They are helping human beings in every field of life. They are being used in business, commerce, and industry. They are being used in banks, hospitals, colleges, and shopping malls. Even a small grocer has a computer to assist him. It helps a designer to design plazas, bridges, and huge buildings. A computer has a vast memory. A small disk can store in it a lot of material and many books. A computer has some demerits also. Data saved in a computer is not safe at all. A tiny virus can damage and wash away very valuable data. Our young generation is crazy about internet. They waste a lot of time in chatting and other activities. We can conclude that computer is a great invention of this age. We must use it for the betterment of mankind. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.